From 1944 to 1945, the last days. At the beginning of World War II, the Nazis were very strong and powerful. Later, more countries, including the United States, became allies to fight the Nazis. In late 1944, the Allies were winning the war in Europe. The Nazis wanted to win their war against the Jews, even if they lost World War II. They tried to kill people faster. As the Allies came close to the concentration camps and death camps, the Nazis forced their prisoners to walk to camps in Germany. These are called the death marches. The winter was cold and snowy. Many people were too weak to walk and died on the side of the roads. Finally, in the spring of 1945, the Allies won the war in Europe. Camps that were still being used were liberated. Their prisoners were now free. The soldiers who found the camps were shocked. Dead and dying people were everywhere. Many soldiers took photographs so other people would believe them later. At some camps, the local townspeople were forced to visit the camp so they would know what had happened in their own community. Sometimes the soldiers even made the townspeople help bury the dead people. The soldiers wanted to make sure that no one could ever deny knowing about the murders. What happened to the perpetrators, the people who participated in the killing? As the Allied troops approached, the Nazis and other people who helped them, called collaborators, tried to destroy the evidence of their crimes. When time ran out, they fled or hid. Some even put on prisoner uniforms and pretended to be prisoners, but they looked too healthy. Some of the perpetrators were caught by the troops. Some committed suicide. Some were tortured by the victims in revenge, but many went back to their normal lives and denied what they did during the war. Some escaped to other countries. They began new lives with new names and a made-up story about their past.